Section 2. You are going to hear a talk given by the university sports representative of the student union at a university. First, look at questions 11 to 13. For these questions, there are 4 alternatives, A, B, C, and D. Decide which alternative is the most suitable answer and circle the appropriate letter.
Good afternoon. My name is Mick Clark and I'm the sports rep from the Students' Union. As well as these talks on the university sports facilities, information will be put up on notice boards all over the campus, so you will definitely all know where to find us. Well, as you have probably realized, the university is spread all over the place, and the sports facilities are, I'm afraid, no different. If you look at the map here on the screen, you'll see we're here on Thames Street, opposite the City Library. If you look down at the bottom of this map, on the right, you'll see Burse Road. On the left of the police station, between the shopping complex and the theatre and the Phoenix Theatre, is the University Sports Complex.
Section 2. You are going to hear a talk given by the... Before the sports representative continues his talk, look at questions 14 to 17. As you listen to the next part of the talk, tick the future developments which the speaker mentions.
The complex is arranged over 4 floors, 2 above ground and 2 below. The buildings were just completed last year, funded by an anonymous donor. The swimming pool is on the lower ground floor, and we're very lucky in that a full-sized Olympic pool is to be built by the end of this academic year, along with a new sauna. In addition, there are a number of other facilities, including various courts, and I would strongly advise you to book well in advance if you want to use any of these courts, as they're very much in demand. We have full changing facilities, 3 large halls for aerobics and other classes, 3 squash courts, and 2 badminton courts. And 2 other exciting developments in the pipeline are a state-of-the-art gym and an ice skating rink. There are also courts for playing softball and basketball, and there is, of course, a cafeteria which is run by the Students' Union, so the prices are reasonable. A welcome addition is the bar, which is due to open shortly.
Before the speaker continues his talk, look at questions 18 to 20. For these questions, there are 4 alternatives, A, B, C, and D. As you listen to the next part of the talk, decide which alternative is the most suitable answer and circle the appropriate letter.
for outdoor sports, I'm afraid we have to go further afield. The university grounds for rugby, football, hockey and cricket are on the edge of the city centre in the southwest, on the north bank of the river, as you can see from this map. The rowing and canoeing clubs, which are very popular, also run from there. The only bus that goes to the university sports fields directly from here is the 553. No, sorry, it's the 53. It is fortunately very frequent and runs late into the night. The last buses either way are around 12:30. But there is also a minibus service which is pretty frequent and reliable, and the times are posted at the Students' Union office. If you want to join up for any of the clubs, you just have to see the reps on the stalls at the different societies' stalls outside. Anyway, thanks for taking the time to come in and listen, and I wish you every success whether you decide to take up some form of sport or not.
That is the end of section 2. You now have half a minute to check your answers.